Welcome. My name is Derek Sang. I'm the Technical Training Manager of Bulwark Protection. A question that we still get, and I've been in this business for almost a quarter of a century, is there a wear life when it comes to FR garments? Or what they're alluding to is, does the FR properties wear out? Especially when we're talking about our cotton-based flame-resistant clothing. The easy answer is no, and it has been that way for a long, long time. In the mid-'80s and early '90s, we perfected making FR cottons durable to laundry and wear life. In fact, so much so, we have it written in our guarantee. The flame-resistant properties of all our garments are for the lifetime of the garment. Now, the trick is, what's the lifetime of the garment? That varies. It varies on how you personally wear it. It varies on your job description and how rough it is on clothing in general. But as long as that garment can be worn and worn in a useful condition, which we all know what that is because we retire clothing all the time. It's not threadbare, it's not overly faded, it's not worn out. We know what that is intuitively. Your FR properties are there and they will work when you need them, hoping that you don't ever need them. So with that, stay safe, stay healthy. Derek out.